Camera mounts come in various shapes and sizes and are essential for capturing steady footage while filming. There are many products available to choose camera mounts, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camera mounts from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Neewer Super Clamp with 3-inch Dual Ball Head Magic Arm. The Neewer Clamp Magic Arm is a versatile camera mount that securely grips objects of various shapes and sizes. It is perfect for attaching your camera or phone to flat surfaces like desks or cylindrical objects like selfie sticks. The adjustable ball heads allow for flexible shooting angles, while the included adapters make it compatible with a range of smartphones and action cameras. With multiple mounting points, you can easily connect accessories like monitors and LED lights. Made from durable materials, this clamp and arm provide stability and protect your equipment against scratches. Number 2. SmallRig Super Camera Clamp Mount. The SmallRig Super Camera Clamp Mount is a multifunctional double ball head adapter with wide compatibility. Made of aluminum alloy and stainless steel, it is very well built and can swivel 360 degrees for perfect viewing angles. It can take up to 1.5 kilograms per 3.3 pounds weight and is suitable for mounting monitors, small action cameras, LED lights, microphones, and flash. It comes with a hassle-free customer service. Number 3. Suptic Jaws Flex Clamp Mount Gooseneck Mount. The Suptic Jaws Flex Clamp Mount is a versatile camera mount that is compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including the GoPro Hero series, Arlo cameras, and other cameras with a 1/4 nut. The adjustable gooseneck allows you to easily adjust the camera angle, making it easier to capture better photos and videos. Made of high-quality materials, this mount is designed to be strong and durable. It is also easy to install and remove, making it convenient to use in various settings. Whether you want to mount it on a desk, tree pole, or sports equipment, this clamp mount provides stability for capturing high-quality images and videos. With the Suptic Jaws Flex Clamp Mount, you can take your camera to new heights and explore creative angles. Number 4. 22-inch Magic Arm W Clamp Camera Mount. If you are looking for a Magic Arm camera mount that can be used for LED light, microphone, or other lightweight accessories, the Jibutu Articulating Friction Magic Arm with Super Clamp is an excellent option. This magic arm has an anti-slip design to increase friction and help to lock your equipment tighter, and it is made of solid and durable aluminum alloy. The magic arm has a maximum load capacity of about 0.25 kilograms and can be mounted practically anywhere with its super clamp feature, which can open a maximum of 5 centimeters. You also get a phone holder and screw adapters for added convenience. Number 5. Neewer 6-inch/15.2 cm Camera Suction Cup Mount. Neewer Suction Mount is a versatile camera mount that can hold mirrorless cameras, vlog cameras, action cameras, and smartphones. Its powerful suction cup can stick to smooth and non-porous surfaces, including glass windows, ceramic tiles, and metal boards. The articulating magic arm with 2 1/4-inch ball heads allows for flexible mounting positions. It also offers multiple mounting points for various accessories, including a phone holder and an action camera adapter. With a maximum load of 11 pounds, 5 kilograms, it can withstand speeds up to 80 kilometers per hour, 50 miles per hour, in motion and has a bearing capacity of up to 88 pounds, 40 kilograms, in horizontal orientations and 110 pounds, 50 kilograms, in vertical orientations. Made of rigid aluminum alloy and durable silicone rubber, this mount is suitable for outdoor use and easy to clean.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.